Sometimes the real world collides with the world of animation. That's because we're teaching people about real situations and environments, and there are times when you have to go beyond animation to tell the whole story. Vyond allows instructional designers to quickly create e-learning scenarios in a variety of animation styles. You can put your characters in a workplace that simulates a real-world environment simply by using the vast library of ready-made backgrounds and props. The Vyond prop library is pretty good, but there may be times when you want to import your own graphics. This can be important if you need to include specialized equipment or real-life work scenes in your videos. For instance, let's say you're creating a training video on how to use magnetic resonance imaging or MRI equipment in a hospital. When you type MRI into the prop search bar, you can see the results for the various styles. Since this is a very specialized piece of equipment, the Vyond selection is rather limited. By the way, I generally recommend sticking with a single style so your video will have a more polished professional look. In this case, we're using business-friendly characters, so let's filter our results and look only at business-friendly props. This prop seems to have a little more detail than the others, and it is possible to change some of the colors. But it might be best to import a graphic image from an outside source. Sometimes your company or client will provide the images they want you to use. If they don't, another place to find images is on canva.com. Many of these images are available for free, and you don't need to provide an attribution link to credit the image creator. And if you upgrade to Canva Pro, you'll gain access to even more images, plus the ability to remove backgrounds and download SVG files. When I searched for Canva elements with the word MRI, these are the graphics that popped up. This search also gave me some images like brain scans, so I changed my search to MRI scanner. That way, it only showed me the scanning equipment. This image looks like a good fit for the business-friendly style. I removed the background, then downloaded the image to my computer desktop. Then, back in the Vyond dashboard, I clicked on this Import tab, then clicked the plus sign to upload the image. Vyond allows you to import JPG, PNG, and SVG images. One of the advantages of using SVG images is that it allows you to change the colors. When I click on this imported SVG image, its color properties appear in the upper right corner. Then I can customize the colors just like I customize the colors for other Vyond props. Vyond also has a library of built-in music and sound effects, all of which are royalty-free. And if you click this microphone, you can also record your own audio or use text-to-speech. The text-to-speech function is really useful when you're creating draft videos for your SME to review because you can easily make the changes. But once everything's been approved, you might want to hire a voiceover artist or use your favorite AI voice generator to create your final audio files. Click the Upload tab, then upload your new audio file here. Vyond allows you to import audio files in MP3, WAV, or M4A format. When you're ready to substitute your draft audio with your final audio, select the scene, then click the imported audio file. You can see the new audio was added right underneath the old audio on the timeline. Right-click the old file to delete it. Then right-click the new file and choose Settings. You can assign the audio to be spoken by the character by clicking the Assign Audio button. You can also use the Settings tab to adjust the volume. If you need to split the audio into segments, hover over the audio file to position your playhead. Right-click and choose Split. Then you can move the audio segments around to match the action in the video. You can try these Vyond features for free with the link below this video. Whenever you import a photo or video, it's a good idea to make sure they fit seamlessly into the Vyond environment. I'll explain how to do that in my next video. As soon as it's available, you'll see it here on the screen.